What's going on, guys? This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions, and we're about to take a bite from this amazing, blessed breakfast meal in this morning. Cinnamon tea. Now, some salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Just a little bit. You want some? Try it at home. Nutritious and delicious. This is so good. So good. This is homemade, healthy. Boy, this is good. Look at the egg. The egg. That protein. You want some? Next thing is to wash dishes. Oh boy. What dishes? Phone plate. Now I got the pan, I got this. Other utensils that I used. Yep, other kitchen utensils. Yep. I gotta wash and clean. Well, guys, if you like this content from my breakfast meal, and blessed, yes, blessed by Father Jehovah out there, my God. That's a good thing. I'm satisfied. So, thank you for, if this is the first time you visit my channel, Genius C Productions, I hope you like the content. Make sure to subscribe if you like the content. Make sure to share the video. Make sure to like, a thumbs up. Make sure to check out my stores for Genius C Productions, and the links are in the description box below. So you can click on the link and it will take you to my stores for Genius C Productions and check out the merchandise. And also for Ingenious Gift Shop, which is another store that I have that I design different products that you might be interested in. So make sure to check out all that. Also, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below and I'll do my best to answer you back. Other than that, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my videos, your videos. I do all this for you guys, okay, all over the world. This is Eric Cantu from Genius C Productions. The video, make sure to share the content with everybody that you know. Make sure to make this food at home. It's really nutritious and it's homemade, all right, with a lot of protein, all right. And this right here was cinnamon tea. Just boil water, put the cinnamon sticks in there, make sure it boils, make sure it gets like kind of brownish, and then you'll be able to drink as I show you in this video. Other than that, this is it. See you guys in the next video.